Welcome to Jesse Tries It. I'm gonna try Back to Nature Classic Round Crackers. 70 calories, 3% fat, which is 2 grams, 1.5 milligrams of monounsaturated fat, 5% sodium, which is 110 milligrams, 4% total carbohydrate, which is 11 grams, 2% sugar, which is 1 gram plus 1 gram, 1 gram of protein, 2% calcium, which is 20 milligrams, 0% iron, which is 0.1 milligrams, 0% potassium, which is 20 milligrams. Don't believe me? Look for yourself. Or you could just look this up online. It has no MSG, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors or colors, no hydrogenated oil, and best of all, plant-based. Let's take a look at these crackers. They're nice and round, nice and sturdy, a little salty but not too salty, smells great, and as for taste, they're salty but not too salty, they're crunchy, they're sweet but not too sweet. Did I say crunchy? Yeah. They're all around delicious. Taste just as good as the lean brands of crackers. Round classic. I give this an A+, an A+.